In February 2022, the USDA began tracking a highly contagious bird flu that's still spreading today. The standard practice at egg farms where the flu is detected is to kill off the entire flock, even healthy birds.
You've seen the rising cost of eggs and the threat of bird flu, and you feel compelled to take action. Here's the first 3 steps that I would take if I had to do it all over again. Step 1 is planning and education. You need to get the information before you act on anything, because it only gets expensive if we have to do it twice. What kind of land are you working with? How many people are in your family? All of this goes into the planning of your chicken coop. For a family of 4, I would recommend anywhere from 4 to 6 chickens. 10's even better. Your backyard is going to determine what kind of coop and how you raise your chickens. Larger, broad acreage, we can move them every day. Smaller acreage, we might have to keep them stationary and shovel and clean out the waste that's produced. But that's great because we can use that into our garden and compound the inputs in other areas. And the last step, I would choose my breed. Do I want a dual purpose bird that maybe I could raise into like some meat as well? Or am I just interested in chickens? Do I want large eggs for production, white eggs, brown eggs, or do I want something that looks a little cool to spice up the yard with? If we provide the healthiest environment, then our chickens can just heal themselves and be happy. Now, I'm not saying that you're never gonna run into any problems, but we have the healthiest environment. They can go and find the food that they want in the pasture, and then they can lay the highest quality eggs. And that keeps us from using fossil fuels to move feed around. It keeps us from transporting over large distances, putting those eggs on a truck and sending them to the supermarket that then you have to drive to. Essentially, we're building supermarkets the way supermarkets were supposed to be, and that's in close with nature. Those are 3 easy steps to get started on your backyard chicken journey. But if you want to do it cheaper, easier, faster, check out the Ultimate Chicken Mastery Guide. Link below. In the link below. You've seen the rising process.
Go.
So those were 3 easy steps to... no, dude, there's a hawk potentially attacking my chickens. So those are 3 easy, actionable steps that you can take. Those are 3 easy steps to start.
More emotion.
There's plenty of emotion. There's plenty of emotion.
No, the